Bonjour Estrie, ça va? I'm going to show you what I would like you to do this week. Okay, so we're going to talk about classroom instructions and do a quick recap on school subjects and opinions. And then at the end of this classroom, this Bitmoji classroom, I want you to be able to understand the classroom instructions in French. Okay, so just a quick reminder that if you use a Mac, apparently you need to drag the links to the search tab, okay? This is not a Mac that I'm using, and I think I need to click right with this version and click here. Oh, I put my computer in Spanish, sorry. This is open this link in a new tab, and this is probably the best way to do it. If you have another version, it might just show you a little yellow square or rectangle, and just click on it and it will open it in a new tab. On this computer, I need to click right and open in a new tab. So, oh, it's asking me if I want to use the web app or the desktop app. I want to use the web tab. So this is a little activity. If it's working. Thank you, technology. It's a little activity I want you to do, and it is a translation activity, but it's a bit different if it's actually opening. We love technology, isn't it? When it works, it's incredible. When it doesn't, um, I'm just gonna pause and try to see what's happening. There you go, it worked. If it doesn't, I'm just going to show you what you could be doing is click here and click on download. This is download in English. Um, right, so you have different boxes in French. You've got different little sentences, and what you need to do is to use the grid above to translate the paragraph below. So you can only use the phrases in the boxes above to translate the paragraph. So you can use highlighters or colored pens to highlight the boxes that you want to use for each bit. For example, you know how to say my favorite subject in French. You go back to the boxes, you highlight it, and you highlight this bit in the same color, or underline it in a wavy way or little dots or something. And as I'm saying, you can only use the boxes here, all right? And your translation of the English text in French has to be here. So that's the first little activity I want you to do. If you have any question, let me know. Then after that, oh, I need to put this back to the way it was. There you go. After that, I want you to have a browse. So some of the links are similar. So this is a great website for videos in French. You can have a look. This is a song I want you to watch and listen to. And this is the links to Netflix and Prime, etc. of films you can watch. Here you've got my Quizlet. You can have a look. Now here, this is the playlist in French that I created, and I'm always adding new songs. So have a look. You can, um, how do you say this in English? S'abonner in French. Subscribe, subscribe. You can subscribe to it. You've got the here Linguoscope. My Twitter. Here is the website to go, and you can practice a bit more on subject if you want. Oh, I clicked on it immediately, so it's gonna go on the website. I can go back to the Bitmoji classroom. It's the languages online website, and you've got more practice on subjects if you want. If you feel that you need more practice on them and more revisions, you can do these activities. Okay, just for you if you feel you need a bit more practice. Now, let's go back to the classroom, which looks more like a like a living room, but it's fine. it's cozy. The dictionary if you need it, and if you click on here, so I'm just gonna remember to do this and click here, it's gonna take you to the files. So it's taking you to the files on Teams, and I'm gonna pause this. So it's taking you to a video. It is the cutest video ever that Miss Wilson recorded with her son, who's 3 years old, Hugo, and it's just so cute. So enjoy. It's about classroom instructions. So she's teaching him how to say the classroom instructions, and oh my goodness, he's so cute. So you can watch this. Just to show you if the link don't work, I'm just gonna take you to um, where they are. So if you go into files, obviously everything is in Spanish here. If you go into files, and if you go into, why am I in the S6 page? No clue. S3 French, files, and if you go into l'éducation, education, and then if you go into week 3 in classroom instructions, the video is here. Here's the video, and the other resources are here. So you've got the PowerPoint, the translation, and the little worksheets. So I'll show you this in a minute. So this is where the video I'm filming right now will be uploaded. So if you're watching this video, you probably found it already, so it's fine. If you click on the mug, it's going to be, okay, it's asking me this again. I want to stay on the web. Fingers crossed it's working. Please. It looks like it's loading something. All right, that's the PowerPoint now. So the one that you found in files, you can find it in files. So it's really the PowerPoint that Miss Wilson used in her video with Hugo, and it's just for you if you want to have a look. It's all about the classroom instructions in French with little pictures. But that's the same as the one she used in her video. Okay, now let's go back to our Bitmoji classroom. And here you've got a link to BBC Bite Size. You can have a look at National 4 stuff. As I said in my previous lesson, towards the middle and end of S3, we will be working at National 5 level, but now it's more National 4 slash 5. Okay, we're getting there. But if you want to have a look at what the level is like, you can. And here, this is a very good um, podcast called Coffee Break French, and it's absolutely incredible. It takes you back to the start, and it's really, really good. Here, it's a link to a Chrome extension to help you learn languages with Netflix. Brilliant. And this is the Modern Languages Twitter, Duolingo in French, and here on the books and on the B, you've got links to read books and comic books in French, and it's free. You just need to register on this one. It's the Culture Tech, but it's excellent. Here you've got the lyrics training from that song that is here. You can practice. And here on the cacti, you have always asking this. I don't know if it's doing the same on your computer. Let me know. Does it freeze again as well when you click on a link like that? Yesterday I had to download all of them. It wouldn't open. Like the three dots, you click here the three dots and click on download. Okay, so here is the little worksheet, and you need to copy this vocab in your jotter, and then you need to write down the correct French instruction matching with the picture. And then here you need to write down in French the classroom instruction. Okay? So, oh yeah, and here it's unjumble the classroom instructions, and here write the opposites. And here you've got to find out the words in this sea of letters. And then here you have to, yeah, this is a list of words you need to find. I don't know why the layout is like this, but you can still read what it's asking you. Okay? Let me know if you have any question, and I hope you enjoy. Au revoir.